Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring Google AI Studio, a powerful platform for developing generative AI applications. Let's get right into it. What is it? And what does it do? Google AI Studio is a tool you can use in your browser to work with AI models. It helps developers test different ideas, create prompts, and improve AI models. You can also turn your work into usable code with the Gemini API. It's easy to use for beginners and powerful enough for experts to build AI apps quickly. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. User-friendly interface. Google AI Studio is simple to use, so it's great for both beginners and experts. Its design makes learning and experimenting easy. Seamless integration. It works perfectly with Google's other AI tools, giving you quick access to APIs and features without extra effort. Customizable prompts. You can create and adjust prompts to fit exactly what you need, helping you get better and more accurate AI results. Disadvantages. Learning curve. While Google AI Studio is easy to use, mastering some of the more advanced features might take a bit of time and practice. Limited advanced features in free version. The free version has fewer powerful tools compared to the premium plan, which might limit what you can do. Who should use this tool? Google AI Studio is ideal for developers, perfect for anyone wanting to quickly test and build apps using AI models. It helps make the process faster and easier. Data scientists, great for fine-tuning AI models with your own data. It gives you control over how the models perform. Businesses, useful for companies that want to use AI for things like chatbot, creating content, or extracting data to improve their services. Price. Google AI Studio is free to use for basic features, so you can try it out without paying. If you need more advanced tools or higher usage limits, you can upgrade to a premium plan. How to use this tool, short tutorial. 1. Sign up. Go to the Google AI Studio website and create an account. Link in the description. 2. Click on the button to sign in to Google AI Studio. Choose the email that you want to use. 3. Then you will be in the interference. Here you can type everything you need. It's pretty simple to use. That concludes our review of Google AI Studio. If you're curious about anything I didn't cover, drop your question in the comments. I'll make a video just for that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.